Milwaukee is a leading brand in the industry, offering high-quality and innovative products for various trades and applications. Whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking for some quality tools to upgrade your arsenal, Milwaukee has something for you. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 10 best Milwaukee power tools. Let's get started. This is a powerful and compact drill driver from Milwaukee. It is designed to work in tight spaces and deliver best-in-class performance and durability. This subcompact drill driver has a 10mm metal chuck for quick bit change and a red link overload protection system that protects the tool and battery from damage. It also has a fuel gauge and an LED light for convenience and visibility. Besides, it's compatible with all Milwaukee M12 batteries, which provide superior pack construction and fade-free performance. This tool is ideal for drilling and driving applications in wood, metal, and plastic. Here's the Milwaukee M12 Hammervac, a cordless dust extractor and rotary hammer combo. This amazing tool delivers HEPA standard debris filtration and is compatible with major brands of hammers and drills. You can drill safely into concrete and masonry without worrying about dust and debris thanks to the self-powered M12 red lithium battery pack that provides up to 160 holes on a single charge. The Hammer Vac also features an auto on mode that turns itself on and off as you work, saving you time and hassle. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to use with a universal handle system that fits any SDS Plus hammer. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile cordless impact wrench, look no further than the Milwaukee D-Handle High Torque Impact Wrench. This amazing tool is the world's first cordless 1-inch D-Handle impact wrench, and it can deliver up to 2,000 foot-pounds of torque and 1,900 feet-pound of torque fastening torque. That means you can tackle the most demanding applications with ease and speed. Additionally, you don't have to worry about cords, hoses, compressors, or generators, as this tool runs on the M18 red lithium battery system that provides long-lasting performance and compatibility with over 250 other M18 tools. You can also customize, track, and manage your tool with the OneKey technology that lets you set a repeatable torque output for maximum control. The tool also features a 4-mode drive control, a premium rubber overmold, a 270-degree rotating handle, and an LED light. Want a lawnmower that can handle any grass type, cut with precision and power, and run on batteries instead of gas? Then you need this Milwaukee lawnmower. It features a 53cm steel deck and blade design paired with M18 fuel technology that delivers a best-in-class quality cut. It also has a 3-in-1 grass management system that lets you mulch, bag, or rear side discharge your clippings. And with the self-propelled mechanism with 5 speed settings, you can adjust the cutting speed to your preference and terrain. Plus, this lawnmower runs on 2 18-volt batteries that provide outstanding power and performance for up to 2,000 square meters on a single charge. Moreover, with front and side headlights, you can mow anytime, anywhere with 180-degree visibility. The Milwaukee Diamond Core Drill is designed to deliver fast and accurate drilling in reinforced concrete, brick, block, and stone. It features a brushless motor that provides up to 50% more power and runs cooler than corded drills. It also has a patented clutch system that protects the user and the tool from rotational kickback. The drill has an LED light for improved visibility and a water connection for wet drilling. Aside from that, it's compatible with the MX Fuel battery platform, which offers cordless performance, durability, and compatibility across multiple tools. In short, this is the ultimate solution for professional core drilling applications. With the Milwaukee MX Fuel Concrete Vibrator, you can achieve faster and smoother results on your concrete projects. It features a brushless motor that provides constant power and speed, a variable speed trigger that allows you to control the vibration intensity, and a flexible shaft that can reach hard-to-access areas. This tool delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge and features a push-button design for easy operation. It has an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue and improves comfort, an LED light that illuminates the work area, and a one-key compatible battery that lets you track and manage your tool remotely. So whether you need to consolidate, level, or smooth concrete surfaces, this tool will get the job done. Need a powerful and reliable cutoff saw that can handle any job site? Look no further than the Milwaukee MX Fuel 350mm cutoff saw. This saw is designed to deliver the best performance and durability in its class, with features like a brushless motor, a 350mm blade, and a rapid stop brake. The MX Fuel battery system provides cordless convenience and a longer runtime, while the one-key technology allows you to track and manage your tool from your smartphone. Whether you need to cut concrete, metal, or wood, the Milwaukee MX Fuel 350mm cutoff saw is the tool for you. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Straight Die Grinder, which delivers up to 0.3 horsepower performance and 20% more power than pneumatic models. It features 3 mode speed controls and a responsive variable speed trigger for unmatched control. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Straight Die Grinder is designed to fit in tight spaces and work with various accessories. It also has a brushless motor that provides longer tool life and less maintenance. It truly is the ultimate solution for your grinding needs. Meet the Milwaukee M18 Force Logic 15T Crimper, a revolutionary tool that makes crimping easy and fast. It has a unique inline design and a center balance grip that allows you to use it with one hand, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. The crimper has a 350-degree rotating head that gives you easy access to tight spaces and hard-to-reach connectors. It also features predictive force monitoring technology that ensures accurate pressure and instant verification for every crimp. This tool is compatible with all industry standard P dies and P to U die adapters, so you can use your existing dies with confidence. It's powered with the M18 red lithium battery system, which delivers up to 90 crimps per charge. And similar to other tools on this list, this tool is also equipped with one-key technology. Now, if you're looking for a powerful and versatile tool to mix different materials, you should check out the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Mud Mixer. This is the first cordless mud mixer in the industry that can match the performance and durability of corded mixers. It has a brushless motor that can handle heavy compounds like concrete and mortar with ease. You can control the speed of the mixer with a dial, a trigger, and a lock-on button for a consistent and clean mix. You can also adjust the handle to 16 different positions for your comfort and ergonomic. With a single battery charge, you can mix up to 15 buckets of material. This is a great tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast who needs to mix materials in their workspace without cords or hassle. So that was our list of the top 10 best Milwaukee power tools. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.